Now in the browser, I want to go to Tailwind CSS, and this link will also be available in the description for you guys. I want to navigate to Docs, and then I want to go to Installation using Vite right here, and I can copy this installation statement, go back to VS Code, create a new command prompt, and simply run this statement here. And after this is done running, make sure it successfully installs in your package.json under dependencies. And more importantly, make sure it's installing version 4 or whatever the newest version is when you're watching this video. Next, we need to import Tailwind CSS into our config file. So I'll go ahead and copy this import statement, go back to VS Code and navigate to the vite.config.js. We'll go ahead and import this statement, and then we'll go back to the documentation here, copy our Tailwind CSS plugin, then go back to VS Code and simply paste this right before our React plugin. And make sure you don't get rid of React, because if you do, it will mess up your entire application, because React is being imported right here in this file. Now back in the documentation, we'll scroll down and copy this import Tailwind CSS statement. And this needs to be imported into your index.css file, just like this. And then this should be set up by default, but go to your main.jsx file and ensure that your index CSS is being imported here. Now all we need to do is go back to Tailwind CSS. We'll go ahead and copy this sample h1 element here, go back into our app.jsx, and we can simply paste that right here. And since we're using React, we need to make sure that this is class name, and we can go back to our live server now. And what I'll do at this point is put this on the right side with the code editor on the left. You guys can see that it is being styled, but just to make sure it is working for you guys, go ahead and remove all of these classes here. You guys will see that it changes. And if we undo that, you guys can see that the Tailwind CSS styling is being applied. Tap here to see what happens next.